Welcome back to Product Critique,
where we dissect the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Saris Bike Rack's Bones Car Trunk Bicycle Rack Carrier.
This innovative rack promises to securely transport your bikes wherever adventure calls. Let's dive in. First off, let's talk about design.
The Saris Bike Rack boasts a sleek and stylish look, thanks to its iconic bones design. Crafted by famed Italian designer Fabio Pedrini, this rack not only functions flawlessly but also adds a touch of sophistication to your vehicle.
What sets this rack apart is its versatility.
Whether you're a solo rider or traveling with friends, the Saris Bike Rack has you covered. With options to carry 2 or 3 bikes, and even up to 4 with certain models, you'll have plenty of space for your cycling crew.
Now, let's talk about installation. One of the standout features of this rack is its ease of use.
Thanks to its innovative design, mounting the rack onto your car's trunk is a breeze.
Plus, its compatibility with most vehicle frames means you won't have to worry about compatibility issues. Once the rack is installed, loading your bikes is a cinch. The spring buckle straps with vinyl-coated hooks ensure a secure hold, giving you peace of mind while you're on the road. And with ratcheting anti-sway straps, you can say goodbye to wobbly bikes during transit.
In summary, the Saris Bike Rack's Bones Car Trunk Bicycle Rack Carrier is a must-have accessory for any cycling enthusiast.
With its durable construction, easy installation, and sleek design, it's a true game-changer for transporting your bikes.
Whether you're hitting the trails or embarking on a road trip, this rack has got your back.
That's all for today's episode of Product Critique.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews of the latest products. Until next time, happy cycling!